Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English with MJ, where learning English is simple, practical, and fun. Have you ever felt nervous when someone says, "Tell me about yourself"? Maybe you are meeting a new friend, attending an interview, joining an online class, or traveling to another country. In today's lesson, I will teach you how to introduce yourself confidently in English. By the end of this video, you will know what to say, what to avoid, and you will be able to introduce yourself naturally. Let's get started. What is an introduction? An introduction is the first thing you say when meeting someone for the first time. A good introduction helps people know who you are and start a conversation. Let's learn it step by step. Step 1. Greet the person. Start with a friendly greeting. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Choose the greeting that matches the time of the day. Step 2. Say your name. After greeting, tell the person your name. My name is Sarah. My name is David. I am Mary. I am Stephen. Note that am is the short form of I am. Step 3. Say where you are from. Now, tell the person where you come from. I am from Nigeria. I'm from Brazil. I come from India. Note, both am, from, and I come from are correct. Step 4. Talk about your job or studies. You can tell people what you do. I'm a teacher. I'm a student. I'm a nurse. I work in a bank. I own a small business. Step 5. Share your hobbies. Talk about your hobbies. Make the conversation more interesting. I enjoy reading books. I love cooking. I like watching movies. I enjoy learning English. Now, let's put them all together. Hello, my name is Grace. I am from Nigeria. I'm a teacher and I enjoy reading books and learning new languages. Nice to meet you. Simple, natural, and confident. Here are some mistakes English learners often make. My names are Grace. Wrong. My name is Grace. Correct. I am come from Nigeria. Wrong. I come from Nigeria, or I am from Nigeria. Correct. I like to reading. Wrong. I like reading, or I like to read. Correct. Now it's your turn. Pause this video and introduce yourself using these 5 steps. Greeting, your name, where you're from, your job or studies, your hobbies. Then play the video again and compare your introduction with today's lessons. Quick review. Today we learned how to greet someone, how to say your name, how to say where you're from, how to talk about your work or studies, how to share your hobbies, common mistakes to avoid. Remember, confidence comes with practice. Don't worry about being perfect. Every conversation helps you become a better English speaker. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to Easy English with MJ, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, Every new English word brings you one step closer to your goal. See you on the next lesson. Bye.